What if I told you that your next UFC ticket could be paid for with crypto? That the next McGregor-level fighter might be earning his millions in digital currency? And what if I told you you could be part of it? Crypto has already changed the world. Now, it's stepping into the octagon. But is UFC crypto coin a knockout, or a TKO waiting to happen? And trust me, this coin has already thrown some punches in the crypto world. In 2021, UFC made one of the biggest moves in sports finance, partnering with Crypto.com in a $175 million deal. Suddenly, fighters were getting paid in Bitcoin. The octagon became a digital billboard for crypto. Crypto isn't just for tech geeks anymore, it's a cultural movement. And UFC sees the opportunity to turn fans into investors. But not all partnerships survive the first round. What can UFC crypto coin actually do? Exclusive event access, fighter bonuses and payouts in crypto, NFT fight moments, pay-per-view purchases. Imagine buying front row seats with just a few clicks, no middlemen, no banks. But here's the kicker. Not every crypto project makes it to the final bell. Crypto in sports is still a street fight, and not every project wins. Let's be real, crypto is volatile. If you FOMO'd into Dogecoin in 2021, you know exactly what I mean. And then there's the wildcard, regulation. If the government decides to crack down, UFC crypto coin could take a massive hit. But here's the thing, sports are global. Crypto is global. If UFC plays this right, it could be one of the most successful sports crypto projects ever. But is now the time to invest? Let's talk strategy. Strong brand and loyal audience. Real-world use case growing. Early stage hype equals early opportunities. But unregulated and volatile. Risk of hype dying down. Not fully integrated yet. If you're thinking about getting in, treat it like a high-risk bet. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. And remember, in the fight between hype and reality, reality always wins. Is UFC crypto coin a knockout investment, or a hype train about to get KO'd? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more high-impact insights into crypto, finance, and smart money moves, hit that subscribe button, because in this financial fight, the ones who stay informed always win.